How to fix lag in Roblox Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the solution for the problem lagging on Roblox Blox Fruits. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Roblox. Now look for any updates that may be available for the Roblox app. If there are no updates available, go back to your home page and open Roblox. In Roblox, make sure you are logged in to your account. In Roblox, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the search bar, type in Blox Fruit. Now search for Blox Fruits and you will see an interface like this. At the very top, tap on Dragon Blox Fruits. Now enter the game. It will take some time to load the game. Once the game starts, tap on the Roblox logo at the top right corner. After that, from this menu, go to the Settings section. In the Settings section, scroll down. On this section, scroll down and look for the option Graphics Mode. Make sure that the Graphics Mode option is set to manual. Sometimes, because of high graphics mode, your game might be lagging. Open Settings on your device and scroll down. Also, make sure that you have a good internet connection. You can try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that helps. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.